In this video, we are going to discuss about the surface areas and the volume. This chapter is basically an formula oriented chapter. Okay, we have studied about different dimensions, curved surface area, what is total surface area, what is volume in the previous video. This is an extension of that video. If you want to know the basics of curved surface area, total surface area, you can go through that video and you can come back and watch this video. In this, we are going to discuss about some of the solids, their curved surface area, their total surface area and volume. And I will be discussing some of the new concepts which are introduced to you in this chapter. Okay, we know what is cuboid, what is cube. The curved surface area for cuboid is 2h into length plus breadth. You know this. Then we have total surface area and then we have volume. Now the new things, new solids which are introduced to you, the very first is the sphere. Okay, what is a sphere and what is the difference between a sphere and a circle? Okay, this is a circle. You can draw a circle on a plane surface. Okay, it is a two-dimensional structure. This circle is a two-dimensional structure. It has only one dimension. What is a sphere? Sphere is basically a three-dimensional structure. Okay, for example, your ball. Okay, your ball is a sphere. We have studied that Earth is an example of sphere. Earth is a sphere. Okay, so Earth is a sphere because it is three-dimensional structure. You have balls, it is a three-dimensional structure. Now the next is the hemisphere. What is hemisphere? If you have a sphere like okay, it's a bad sphere. Okay, if you see, this is a sphere. It is a three-dimensional structure. I can draw a three-dimensional structure on this plane because it itself is a two-dimensional structure, right? So if I cut this sphere, okay, then these two, like this, okay, somewhat like this is your hemisphere. If you cut a sphere, then you got the hemisphere. This is your hemisphere. So this is your sphere, this is your hemisphere. It's again a three-dimensional structure. The common example of hemisphere are your bowl in which you eat, right? Next is the frustum of cone. What is this frustum? Similar to sphere, you have a cone. You know, right? What is a cone? If I cut a cone, then I get the frustum of a cone, right? Let us understand it with the example. Okay, what is a frustum of cone? It's a different concept. We'll see it. Okay, now let us understand the topic, that is frustum of the cone. In this video we are having a cone. Okay, this is capital H is the height of the cone and R is the radius of the cone, right? Now if I cut this cone, okay, if I cut this cone from here, okay, so this part will be removed. Okay, cut the cone. If I cut the cone, okay, so there are two images which are going to be formed. Okay, there are two pieces basically. The first one will be a cone like this, the upper part. This is the upper part. It will be a cone. It will be a cone. Okay, so you can't say it as frustum of the cone. This is a cone actually. We got a smaller cone like this. Okay, this. And the lower part, okay, the lower part is actually the frustum of the cone. This is the lower part after cutting. this is the lower part after cutting. See, it is a different shape. It has two radius. This will be your R1 and this is your R2. Okay, it has two shapes, two radius. This is the first circle, this is the second circle. So this is going to be R1 and this is going to be your R2. Now the curved surface area is basically pi R1 plus R2 into L. Now what is this L? L is basically h square plus the differences of these two square, right? This is a formula for calculating the L. Okay, this is the curved surface area. Now what is the total surface area? Curved surface area plus the two radius. This is the curved surface area, this is the curved surface area, and for total you have to take curved surface area plus the areas of two circles, right, with radius R1 as well as with radius R2. So this is your curved surface area, okay, plus radius of first circle and radius of the second circle. Similarly for volume, it is 1 by 3 pi h, okay, R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 and R2. So this is your first term of the cone. It is a very new topic which is introduced in this chapter. So this completes your surface area and volume topic. Thank you for watching.